Good Saturday afternoon, and thank you for tuning in here with us at Star 9 Alabama. My name is Nicholas Driver, and we have a lot to talk about as we have a weather ready alert day in effect. Right now, temperatures are sitting in those mid and upper 60s. That's going to allow for nice warm air and stability to move in across the area. While we're not going to see much, it is something we will pay attention to ahead of these storms. Let's get straight into the forecast, timeout, when those storms are going to be here, and what's next. Again, weather ready alert day is in effect for this evening ahead of those stronger severe storms, if you will. Wind advisory in effect for gradient winds up to 45 miles per hour at times. And just please, please, please have plenty of ways to get warnings. We will be live tonight if things do hit the fan. So stay tuned with us here at Star 9 Alabama. We will keep you weather aware. Here's our forecast focus across much of northern Alabama Saturday evening. Northwest Alabama could see these storms arriving by 10 p.m. through 12 a.m. North central Alabama 11 p.m. through 1 a.m. and northeastern Alabama through 12 a.m. through 3 a.m. Now keep in mind, we are seeing model trends where these storms are beginning to slow down just a little bit, which will change our timing, and I'm expecting the timing to change by 3 to 4 p.m. before our next update. Main threat tonight, damaging winds and embedded tornadoes, and of course 1 to 2 inches of rainfall on top of what we already saw last week is expected, causing that chance of flooding to go up. Severe weather outlook, we have a level 3 out of 5 risk for areas of southeastern Arkansas, southwestern Tennessee, Mississippi, southwestern Alabama, northwestern Alabama, Arkansas, and Louisiana. Closer to home, we got that, again, level 3 out of 5 risk for Colbert, Franklin, Lauderdale, Winston, and Marion counties. A level 3 or level 2 out of 5 risk is for the rest of the state. With these if you will, outlooks, severe weather impacts are going to be isolated. Couple isolated tornadoes cannot be ruled out. These are going to spin up real quick and end off real quick, if you will. 40 to 60 mile per hour wind gust and higher is possible or likely at this point. Small hail, not a big threat, but it's something we're still watching, and then that flooding threat is still there as well. Wind advisory in effect with max wind gusts likely around 35 to 45 miles per hour, and that's mainly by Saturday 10 p.m. as that cold front and that line of storms approaches. That's going to bring gradient winds up to 40 and 30 miles per hour, and you can see Florence, Russellville, Haleyville seeing those upper 40s with wind gusts. Same thing along I-65 corridor. Seeing some in the upper 30s, in the lower 40s. And the farther east you go, it kind of lowers a little bit. But we're going to be seeing gusty winds all afternoon. Some gusts of 20 miles per hour, staying sustained around 15 and 20 miles per hour, and then continuing throughout the afternoon. Pinpoint Doppler radar showing rain showers in central Tennessee, but for us, we're staying dry. And a couple of scattered rain showers cannot be ruled out this evening. We'll time that out. 4 through 5 and 6 p.m. A couple showers carrying thunderstorms, or a couple rumbles of thunder, if you will, cannot be ruled out. That main line is already beginning to push across the Tennessee River. By 9 and 10 p.m., that main threat begins to push in. The chance for a couple prefrontal supercells, or a few prefrontal supercells, is out there. And what prefrontal supercells are is it's cells that develop out ahead of the line, if you will, causing all hazards of severe weather. Now, as this progresses, 12 a.m., this is when that slower track moves in. 12 a.m., we could see some of these showers and thunderstorms along Florence, Russellville, Hamilton. As we head during the evening, the rest of the midnight to night, areas like Hartselle and Coleman, maybe Warrior, could see these storms around 12 and 1 a.m., and then it'll continue to push east by then. 5-day forecast, rain showers possible by a.m. Sunday, and then we'll clear out with cloudy skies by Sunday afternoon. It will be cold, and black ice will definitely be possible Monday morning for a period of time, so be aware of that. Tuesday and Wednesday, chances of PM and AM snow showers are there, and we're seeing this potential really go up. This will be something that we'll talk about after the severe weather threat, and by the time we get to the end of your next work week, we're going to be frigid. Thank you for tuning in with us at Star 9 Alabama. My name is Nicholas Driver. We'll have an update, like I said before. We'll have one at around 4 p.m. this afternoon before the storms arrive to keep you weather aware. Thank you for tuning in and have a blessed evening.